What are they doing? Fighting?
Oh, yeah, zoom. Am I in your way?
Wee.
There's locked beaks.
No, I must say I've never seen that, have you?
That's to the death, mate. That is cool. I bet.
I have to tell you that.
I want to get a zoom on the camera. I haven't got a zoom. I've never seen that before.
No.
They wouldn't normally let you get this close, would they?
That's weird, because we both saw...
That is bizarre.
Seen coming.
Yeah, like suicide. I thought it was a suicide seagull first. These ones up here are going bonkers.
If they fly over here now...
I think they're quite young.
Do you?
They wouldn't normally let you get that close. So now
No, they don't, do they? Normally fly away.
He's got something on his leg, look. Well, no, it's like a protective one or something. Yeah, he's got something on his leg.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, maybe he's got out of prison. You're on camera, by laughing, by the way.
Oh, no.
And that's still video, isn't it? Cool, break it up, lads. Unless they fancy each other. Maybe it's a mating thing.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was just doing.
No, they don't
look like mates to me.
No, they don't look like mates. No.
No.
He's going to snap his beak off. Seagulls up here are going mental. Fight, fight, fight. Who's your money on? Jock?
Oh, got my money on the
One with a tag or?
little fella. Little fella on top.
I don't think I've ever filmed anything like this. Not this close, anyway. Right, it's supposed to be working, but I'm now filming seagulls fighting. Never seen that before. I never thought I would be able to get that close. Hey, come back, man. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Really going for it. Could be male and female because women, men and women fight like that. He's going to go on forever, or? He really wants to kill him, didn't he? Shit. That's cool, isn't it? You don't even get this stuff on BBC wildlife programmes. Alright lads, break up. Just going on YouTube. The winner is... They're going to attack you.
Another one there.
They're going to fight over there now.